tree deer. Actually, he's kind of been going overboard lately. Oh my God!
Hey man, you see my pants? Oh, Lois, by the way, we're out of toilet paper.
Chris, thank you for helping me.
He's liking that.
You're a hero.
No, Lou Gehrig was a hero.
Excellent. As soon as I release this biological toxin into the world's water supply, I will rule the world. I'll call it Lou Gehrig's disease. I just have to remember to make sure this cap is screwed on tight. Well, I guess the joke's on me.
This is a gift from all of us. Go ahead, try it on.
Okay.
Oh, my, Chris, we can see your genitals.
You want some of this? Huh? You want some of this? You want some of this? Huh? Fuck you up, Bert. Ah, bitch! Oh, you thought I was done, huh? You thought I was done, huh? 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 You just keep talking that shit! You just keep talking that shit! Huh? You just keep talking that shit! You just keep talking that shit! I'll fuck you up, Bird! I'll fuck you up, Bird! Fuck you up, Bird! Fuck you. Oh!